Hello everyone, welcome back, and today we are solving an SAT common problem. Condition is that we have Sn equals 5n squared plus 2n series sum of series equation, and we should find common difference of this equation. Let's remember how to find the common difference. Here is the formula where the equals a n minus a n minus 1. So, for example, second term minus first term. So, we should find second term and first term, but how? Look at this equation. Uh, we can find the sum of first term. So, sum of first term is first term itself. And let's plug 1 into equation. So 5 times 1 squared plus 2 times 1 is 7. So we know that a1, first term, is 7. Let's find s2, which is sum of the first term and second term. And let's plug 2 in equation, which is 5 times 2 squared plus 2 times 2. And this is 24. So we know that a1 plus a2 is 24. But now we should find the second term. So s2 minus a1, which is a1 plus a2 minus a1, is second term. Let's plug numbers into this simple equation, which is 24 minus 7, and this is 17. Now we know that a1 is 7 and a2 is 17. Okay, let's bring the common difference formula back and put numbers into that equation. So, common difference equals a2 minus a1, which is 17 minus 7, and it's 10. Congratulations!